Welcome to a video from digitallifestyle.com. First Windows 11 build video of 2024. This is a look at 26020 for Windows designers on the Canary channel. A couple of interesting things in this. Not much I can actually show you with this build, because a lot of it is language support with extended languages. So if you're using the voice access, then there's some additional languages in there: French, Canadian, German, Spanish, and Mexican. Spanish, Mexican are built in there, so you can use those in the system. And also multiple displays are supported with the voice access as well. So a couple of other changes: if you do a clean install with this build, and you will find that WordPad has disappeared. So if you've still got, if you like me, yeah, you'll still have WordPad if you've been doing an upgrade. But if you do a clean install, you'll find WordPad is gone. And in fact, WordPad will be removed on a future upgrade, Microsoft say. So WordPad will actually be removed, and you won't be able to reinstall it, so that'll be gone. Steps Recorder is also going as well, and the People app is also going as well. In fact, the People app's not on this build now if you do a clean install. So Energy Saver is something that was introduced in build 26002, which effectively what was Battery Saver is now called Energy Saver. And if you have a desktop PC with, or a device without a battery, then the icon on the bottom here, when you've got Energy Saver on, will show you a little leaf on your power icon on there. So that's just a new little thing to show you that the Energy Saver's on. That's what the icon looks like that. Another new setting is here, you can, in printers, so you can actually pause your printing from here. So maybe you need to change the paper or change your toner or something like that. You can pause the print queue from here, like you can do in the old print queue, but this is built into the Windows settings on there. So when you share through Windows Share, now you'll notice there's a WhatsApp, so you can share via WhatsApp. And also what it does now is it will only show you the right out version of Teams that you need. So if you're signed in with your Microsoft account, it'll show you the home version, the free version. If you're signed in with a work account, then it'll show you the works version of Teams, which is quite good, I suppose, because it only shows you one. But in some instances, I have both open, two different versions of Teams. I'll be signed on with a personal account, but the Teams is signed in with a work account, and I think that will stop you sharing through there. But anyway, that's what they've changed on that. And something else you can do as well if you use Nearby Share is you can rename your devices. Right, there's a couple of fixes with this. Well, they fixed some issues with battery and power that would crash. They fixed some issues with File Explorer taking away the keyboard focus, and they've fixed some issues with Copilot rearranging your desktop icons. There is an issue with the Copilot. In terms of known issues, there's still the reminder about some games may not work, and they're investigating an issue where the print queue, when you try to open a print queue, comes an error, and they say they're investigating an issue with some insiders not be able to open settings, and there is a workaround for that as well, but I haven't seen that issue. So those are the highlights of this build. This is the Canary build 26020. Hopefully we'll get some new exciting Windows features in 2024, and I can show you on these videos. Thanks for watching.